Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to move your Modic tokens from Coinbase Wallet to a Tangem wallet. Modic, also known as Modic, is the native token of the Polygon network, and it's super useful for fast, low-cost transactions. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step, so you can do it confidently and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Coinbase wallet and Tangem wallet set up and verified. Coinbase is a popular platform for managing crypto, while Tangem offers secure hardware storage to keep your assets safe from online threats. To start, open your Coinbase wallet app or website and log in. Navigate to your Modic holdings, that's where you'll find your balance. Next, on your Tangem wallet, generate or access your receiving address. This is crucial, so double-check it to avoid any mix-ups. Copy that address carefully. Now, head back to Coinbase, select the Withdraw or Send option for your Modic tokens. Paste the Tangem address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network. It should be Polygon for Modic to ensure smooth sailing. Before you hit Confirm, review the transaction details, including any fees. In 2025, network fees might be even lower with Polygon's advancements, but always verify. Once you're good, approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and it should only take a few minutes to process. After that, hop over to your Tangem wallet and refresh to see your Modic tokens arrive. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. But remember, if you encounter any issues, like a pending transaction, check your network connection or contact support. There you have it. Withdrawing Modic from Coinbase to Tangem wallet is straightforward once you know the steps. This keeps your crypto safer and more accessible. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.